I still remember how basic my idea was.
That vigor to do something, how to do it was the question.
Inspiration for creating a world-class organization like NSR Cell actually came from the Infosys story.
Two things that have been constant at NSR Cell. One is our focus on the entrepreneur and not the venture. And secondly, our ability to adapt and provide the right supporting environment for the entrepreneur in their journey.
So it's a matter of great satisfaction for me that we have been able to attract a lot of talent and create a number of wonderful programs.
We've worked with companies that are from toys to candy to deep tech startups that have gone through the Launchpad program, and we've worked with them for about 100 days. Towards the end of that, we've seen them get early customers, grow their company, get some sort of funding from different kind of sources.
At NSR Cell, we strive to encourage women entrepreneurship. The Women Startup Program at NSR Cell supports early-stage women entrepreneurs from across sectors. The Goldman Sachs 10,000 Women's Program is offered across the country by NSR Cell. As part of this program, women entrepreneurs receive classroom sessions on marketing, HR, how to develop an effective business model canvas, and how to negotiate with stakeholders.
In 2016, Texas Instruments, in collaboration with DSG and NIAM Bangalore, launched a program called India Innovation Challenge Design Contest. The program is for engineering students. They compete at different levels. TI takes care of the whole process, and then 10 teams are selected. NSR Cell provides mentoring, business mentoring, release a seed fund from DST to all the team.
We launched the first non-profit incubator for the country in April 2017. With a growing pool of CSR and philanthropic funds, there was a demand and an urgent need for corporates to invest in well-run organizations that create meaningful impact. On the other side, we saw a supply of very young, talented professionals entering this space with tremendous amount of entrepreneurial spirit, creative energy, and a passion to make a difference in society. That's where NSR Cell Social comes in. We help to build executional capabilities of these entrepreneurs.
The vision for NSR Cell, it is to create a very comprehensive ecosystem for entrepreneurs with all the components and elements.
This is an amazing place, and you would never get any of these places in the city or in the country. And that is the beauty of this 100-acre of wilderness that we have. Under the tree, I've listened around thousands of stories in the last 7 years with entrepreneurs coming up with different opportunities, different problems. It is all about listening. My definition of mentoring is that try to get the answers from the entrepreneur because they have the answers.
NSR Cell and mentors have empowered me as an entrepreneur.
After coming here, we acquired customers with a couple of other channels that we were overlooking earlier.
Being part of NSR Cell helped us out with all the foundations of business, like talking to the users, being mentored by best in the industry, and pitching to the investors. We are making the phrase "anybody can dance" a reality.
In fact, our first check was signed here itself when the investors came to meet us.
We, in fact, at CIHI had 2 farmers as a part of our network. Now, after 1.5 years, we have now grown to a 300 network of strong farmer team. And I believe this is just the beginning for it.
This came at a time when I really needed to go back to the concepts and the basics of my business, and this really gave me that time.
It is important for them to learn what it takes to create and build a successful organization.
As we move for the next 20 years, we would love to welcome you to be part of our journey. We will handhold you as you try different things, sometimes fail, but eventually you will be successful as an entrepreneur. Come and join us at NSR Cell.